Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to crop image in circle. Click on this 3 dots and go to Frame Tool or press K. This is the shortcut key. Choose the circle icon on the top left corner. Image link is in the description section. Press Shift while dragging and make a perfect circle. If you just drag without pressing Shift, your circle shape won't be accurate. Now your crop image is ready. If you want to resize the image or adjust the image like we did in Illustrator, just click on Image Thumbnail. Adjust like this. Same process with the circle tool if you want. Now the second method is go to the elliptical marquee tool, press Shift and drag for a perfect circle. Now click on Layer Mask icon. Now your image is cropped. If you want to resize the image or adjust the image, just unlink it by pressing this link icon. Now select the image thumbnail and adjust it. You can do same method with the circle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.